After you've tested the solar panel, you can switch it on. It's gonna calibrate in a few seconds by turning round, then set for work. In the manual, you're gonna find a QR code. Scan the QR code and it's gonna take you to the website, then you download the application for the camera. I would suggest you use a Chrome browser and click on the camera button, and it's easy there. You just scan it and get the app downloaded on your phone so you can use it for remote sensing. Now I've got the app, is YIIoT. Let's go to the app now. After opening the app, you're gonna sign up to a cloud. You can actually use your Facebook if you don't want to use your email. It's just like this. That's all. And we're in YIIoT cloud with my brother's account. Then you click the button, tap here to add your camera, and it shows you multiple options. Wi-Fi connection, hotspot direct connection, hotspot config of Wi-Fi, network cable, Bluetooth, and 4G, which is a SIM card. Now we're using the hotspot direct connect, which I'm gonna on my Wi-Fi and connect to the camera. It has the password 128. That's cam over there. It takes less than 2 seconds for it to connect, and now we're in just 1, 2, with in. It's an AI camera. It has the ability to follow targets. That's when you're not around, by just tracking them. But this is just like a manual move when you choose to move it all around. I hope this helps you setting up your camera. Request a service from us today.